Hey there and welcome to HISD Now. Today we're showing you how Lanier middle school students are building confidence, HISD PD's second annual trunk or treat event, a Halloween costume reminder, a DeBakey scholarship winner, this week's sports preview, and the Houston Promise partners who are stepping up for our students. It is Thursday, October 30th. Remember, you can skip around to any story with the chapters right below. So, the Houston Chronicle just did a feature on the Houston Promise. That's our mission to have all A and B rated schools by August 2027. And the Chronicle's article covers some of the community partners who are stepping up to help us get there. Good Hope Missionary Baptist Church is one of them, and church administrator Linda Wheatley told the Chronicle, quote, "Love is rooted in the belief that every student has genius in them, and it's the teacher's job to get it out of them. Through the Houston Promise, we want to help the teachers and the staff over at Foster Elementary be able to do just that." End quote. A big thank you to Good Hope and to all of our Houston Promise partners. We appreciate you stepping up for our students. And speaking of our students, check out all the fun costumes we saw last night at HISD PD's second annual Trunk or Treat. The event brought together students, parents, and officers for an evening full of fun with creative costumes, candy, food, music, and games for everyone to enjoy. Now, it's all about building community, bringing smiles, and celebrating Halloween in a safe and fun way.
We're excited to be here. It's just another way for us to build those bridges between the law enforcement and the community we serve, particularly our students and families.
This is a super cool event. This is our first trunk or treat. So I think it's like really cool for HPD and HISD police to kind of, get together and celebrate the kids.
And another reminder as we get ready for Halloween tomorrow, parents listen up. Some HISD elementary campuses may allow students to wear costumes. If that's yours, remember, costumes should be fun, comfortable, and school appropriate while keeping the focus on learning. Now let's make sure our celebrations stay safe, positive, and free of distractions so everyone can enjoy the day.
You just won a $40,000 scholarship from Big Future.
A big congrats goes out to Angela Chen of DeBakey High School. She was surprised today with a $40,000 scholarship from Big Future, an online resource and program by College Board that helps students plan for life after high school by offering tools to explore careers, find colleges, and pay for college. It also includes a scholarship program. School leaders at DeBakey went the extra mile to keep today's check presentation a secret, unveiling the news in front of Angela's family, peers, and teachers.
It's just really a big shock. I don't really think it's set in yet.
What is your plan now?
Definitely look into more out-of-state colleges and, really think about my future even more now.
Oh, I'm so excited. This will help her to go to the college she wants to go.
Here at DeBakey, we have many high-achieving students, and this is just another avenue for them to pursue, to gain recognition and start preparing for the future outside of DeBakey. And with Angela, she's a role model for our students. She's dedicated, like many of our students are, preparing for college. So this is going to set the bar for them to try even harder and try to achieve what Angela achieved.
In sports, it's Thursday and we're getting ready for some big games and matches this coming weekend. Now in cross country, 3 students from 3 different schools are heading to state this weekend. Heights, Yates, and Bel Air will represent the district at the state meet in Round Rock this Saturday. We'll be highlighting each of these students on the HISD Now YouTube channel in the days ahead, so be on the lookout for that. And it's playoff time for volleyball. We have teams at all levels hitting the court tonight. A couple of matches to keep an eye on are Carnegie versus Victoria West and Madison taking on Victoria East. Both are expected to be close matches. And on the gridiron, we have 3 games that have playoff implications. First up, Yates will take on Washington in the Booker Bryant Classic. Bel Air is taking on Lamar in the Nolan Roper Classic. And Worthing will face off against Wheatley.
Hey guys, welcome to another week of...
Now to hear about all of these games and much more, check out the conversation that we had with HISD Athletic Director Andre Walker. It's up now on our YouTube page. Lanier Middle School has been our highlight this week for our campus close-up. It's a school known not just for its strong academics, but for its strong sense of community. Parent involvement is strong, and this A-rated campus also continues to excel thanks to passionate teachers, like creative writing teacher Mr. Garrett and speech and debate teacher Mr. Hill. Mr. Garrett has been at the school for 14 years and Mr. Hill 19 years. In this brand new story that we just uploaded to the channel, I talked to them about what attracted them to Lanier in the first place and what's kept them there, and how they're motivating and helping students become more confident versions of themselves. This story is also up on Facebook and on Instagram. And tomorrow, hear from some of Mr. Hill's and Mr. Garrett's students. 3 8th graders break down for me what they like about their classes and the big lessons they're taking away from them for their future. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can see when the story goes up. And while you're on our YouTube page, check out the Lanier Middle School playlist. There, you'll find all the stories we're doing this week. And next week, we're heading to the historic Milby High School in Houston's East End. Principal Ruth Benya telling me her campus is well known for their traditions, pride, and progress. We'll be highlighting the school all next week, so if you're from Milby and watching this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And before we go, don't forget about all the ways that you can stay connected with HISD, especially your child's school and their campus leaders. At HoustonISD.org, you can click on the Contact HISD button. There you'll find a list of departments and resources to help you get in touch with the right team. Now that first option, Contact My School Principal or their supervisor, makes it easy to search for your child's campus and connect directly with their principal by phone or by email, or even reach out to the division chief if you need to. Well, as always, thank you for watching and connecting with us. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.